India is importing over 400 crore rupees worth of furfuryl alcohol every year, and with the increasing demand from industries like pharmaceuticals, food processing, and textiles, MSMEs have a huge opportunity to manufacture it locally. The demand for furfuryl alcohol is growing fast, but India's production is unable to keep up. Here's how you can take advantage of this opportunity and be part of the solution. Let's understand what is this furfuryl alcohol industry. Furfuryl alcohol is a chemical made from agricultural waste like corn cobs, sugarcane bagasse, and wheat husks. It's used in many industries, such as pharmaceuticals, food processing, textiles, and chemicals. This product is used to make solvents, resins, and plasticizers, and is a key ingredient in many industrial processes. Now let's understand the market growth and demand analysis for furfuryl. The demand for furfuryl alcohol in India is expected to reach 1,000 crore rupees by 2030, driven by growing industries like pharmaceuticals, food processing, and textiles. In fact, the demand is growing at a rate of 12 to 15% every year. However, India's domestic production is not enough to meet the demand, and we are heavily relying on imports. This is where you come in. India needs local manufacturers to fill this gap and meet the growing demand. Supply gap or opportunity window. There's a huge opportunity here. There aren't enough manufacturers in India. The country depends too much on imports for furfuryl alcohol. With industries growing and the government investing in infrastructure projects, the demand for furfuryl alcohol is increasing rapidly. Why start this manufacturing industry? Now, let's look at why starting a furfuryl alcohol manufacturing business is a great idea. High demand. Furfuryl alcohol is in constant demand across multiple industries like pharmaceuticals, food processing, and textiles. Reduce imports. India currently imports most of its furfuryl alcohol. By manufacturing locally, you can help reduce this reliance. Export potential. The global demand for furfuryl alcohol is also increasing, which opens doors for exports. Low competition in MSME. There's little competition in the MSME segment of the furfuryl alcohol market, so you can easily get a strong foothold. Government support. The government offers many schemes to support MSMEs, making it easier for you to start and grow your business. End user industries. A variety of industries utilizing furfuryl alcohol. So, who will buy your furfuryl alcohol? The demand comes from many different industries, including pharmaceutical companies. They use furfuryl alcohol to create solvents and resins. Food processing units. It's used in food additives and flavoring. Chemical manufacturers. It's a key ingredient in many chemical products. Textile manufacturers. Used in dyeing and finishing textiles. Construction industry. It helps in some construction materials and coatings. Solar companies. Furfuryl alcohol is used in producing solar panels. Export potential. Not only is there strong demand within India, but furfuryl alcohol is also in high demand globally, especially in countries like China, the USA, and European nations. India has a huge export opportunity here. India is becoming a more important manufacturing hub, and with the Make in India initiative, now is the best time to focus on exports and tap into global markets. Basic manufacturing overview. Let's look at what it takes to set up your own furfuryl alcohol manufacturing unit. Here's what you'll need. Raw materials. Agricultural byproducts like corn cobs, sugarcane bagasse, and wheat husks. Machinery. You will need distillation columns, reactors, filtration units, and drying equipment. Utilities. Water, electricity, and natural gas are the main utilities required. Government support. The Indian government provides a lot of support to businesses in the manufacturing sector. Here are some key schemes that can help you start your business. MSME registration helps you access various government benefits. PLI scheme. The Production Linked Incentive Scheme promotes local manufacturing. Startup India offers tax benefits, incentives, and mentorship for startups. SIDBI funding provides financial assistance for small businesses. Credit-linked capital subsidy helps you purchase machinery at lower costs. How our team helps you. Are you ready to build the future? Let us assist you. We can support your business with 30+ years of experience. at Niir Project Consultancy Services. We provide our services for the preparation of market surveys cum detailed techno-economic feasibility reports for setting up new industries or businesses. Our report includes manufacturing processes, market research, flow sheet diagrams, product mixes, machinery details, raw material details, and complete project financials to assess project feasibility, along with a wealth of other information. For more details, please contact the number or email given in the description box.